हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू मिरेकल मैथ्स एकेडमी। आज की वीडियो में हम कॉन्टिन्यूटी को डिफाइन करेंगे। अ रियल फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज सेड टू बी कॉन्टिन्यूस एट अ पॉइंट एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू ए ऑफ इट्स डोमेन इफ लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू ए एफ एक्स एग्जिस्ट एंड इक्वल्स टू एफ ए। दैट मीन्स एट एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू ए limit of fx exist and equals to fa. If fa is not defined, then our function is discontinuous. And if limit x tends to a fx does not exist, then function is discontinuous. Thus fx is continuous at x is equals to a if right hand limit is equals to left hand limit is equals to fa. Show that fx is equals to x cube is continuous at x is equals to 2. तो हमें continuous के लिए क्या शो करना है? Right hand limit of function is equals to left hand limit is equals to fa. Now a is equals to 2, so fa is equals to f2 is equals to 2 cube is equals to 8. Right hand limit x tends to 2, fx is equals to limit h tends to 0, 2 plus h. So limit h tends to 0, 2 plus h cube is equals to limit h tends to 0, 8 plus h cube plus 12h plus 6 h square is equals to 8. Left hand limit h tends to 0, 2 minus h is equals to limit h tends to 0, 2 minus h cube is equals to limit h tends to 0, 8 minus h cube minus 12h plus 6h square is equals to 8. So limit x tends to 2 fx is equals to limit right hand limit and left hand limit is equals to f2. So our function fx is equals to x cube is continuous at x is equals to 2. Find the value of k for which fx is equals to kx plus 5 when x is less than equals to 2 and fx is equals to x minus 1 when x is greater than 2 is continuous at x is equals to 2. हमें फंक्शन गिवन है और वो फंक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूस है x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पर. सो हमें फाइंड करनी है वैल्यू ऑफ k. f2 व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 आवर फंक्शन इज kx प्लस 5, सो f2 इज इक्वल्स टू 2k प्लस 5. व्हेन x इज लेस देन 2, सो limit h tends to 0 and our function is kx plus 5 when x is less than 2, so limit h tends to 0, k 2 minus h plus 5 and limit h tends to 0, 2k plus 5 minus h is equals to 2k plus 5. Right hand limit when x is greater than 2, our function is x minus 1. So limit h tends to 0 2 plus h minus 1 is equals to limit h tends to 0 1 plus h is equals to 1. Now our function is continuous at x is equals to 2. So right hand limit is equals to left hand limit is equals to f2. So 2k plus 5 is equals to 1. So here k is equals to minus 4 upon 2. So k is equals to minus 2. f2 is equals to 2k plus 5 exists only when limit, right hand limit and left hand limit both are equal. So 2k plus 5 is equals to 1 and k is equals to minus 2.